Well, viewers, yesterday the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, who has been fielded against the BJP candidate Ramesh Biduri and Congress candidate Alka Lamba, launched a crowdfunding campaign to fight the elections. Citing zero corruption under former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Atishi urged Delhiites to help the Aam Aadmi Party fight the polls. In fact, today she is also filing her nomination papers, and the announcement came in before the nomination papers. Today, she started the day by visiting the temple and then visiting the Gurudwara. In fact, we have breaking updates coming in. It's a Times Now mega exclusive. Chief Minister Atishi has spoken to Times Now as the Delhi battle gets in the final stage.
The Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, is holding the nomination rally, and you can see that the massive crowds have gathered over here, and I'm being exclusively joined by the Chief Minister herself. Ma'am, from MLA to the Cabinet Minister and then to a Chief Minister, and now today for the nomination.
I have been an MLA of Kalkaji for 5 years, and the amount of love and the amount of blessings I have got from the people of Kalkaji, you can see that love overflowing on the streets here.
How do you see the fight between Congress, BJP and Aam Aadmi Party? Because the opposition is saying that it is going to be a triangular fight. Biduri, Alka Lamba, all big faces from opposition.
See, I think you can see from the love and affection that is spilling out onto the streets that the people of Delhi are with Aam Aadmi Party.
The Gali politics is very prominent, and we have also seen the BJP candidate Biduri targeting you. How do you respond to it?
I don't need to respond. The people of Kalkaji will respond. On 5th of February, the amount of votes Biduri gets, he will get a response from the people here.
Allegations are made that Congress is the B team of the BJP. How much do you agree to it?
Congress is a non-entity in Delhi.
Last question is that, ma'am, today a statement came from LG. Yesterday, Arvind Kejriwal also visited Shakur Basti. How do you see this entire controversy regarding the politics going on over the JJ cluster?
The only thing that BJP has done for JJ clusters is to try and demolish them. They have done nothing else for them.